Welcome to the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen, where we share gourmet recipes at a low-budget wonder. Now check this out.
First thing you want to do is add some mayonnaise and sour cream to a large bowl. Now just add some buttermilk. Now if all you were using were the ingredients of a dried ranch salad dressing mix package, this would be the way to go. It makes a tastier, creamier dressing. The instructions only call for milk and mayonnaise, which leaves much to be desired. So trust me when I recommend the mayo, sour cream, and buttermilk mix. If you're making it from scratch, however, you want to add some dried dill, some dried parsley, some dried chives, some garlic powder, onion powder, and some lemon juice. You'll also want to shake in some salt, and sometimes fine sea salt is good, and a little bit of white pepper. Now just mix everything thoroughly. Now there's a couple things you can do if you want to spice it up a bit. You can add cayenne, or red chili flakes, or even a chopped jalapeno pepper is something I like to add sometimes. And one of the great things about this recipe is you can completely control the consistency or the thickness of the dressing by adding more or less buttermilk. But that'll be up to you. This dressing does of course require refrigeration, and I would highly recommend letting it marinate for a couple hours before serving. But other than the obvious, what do you like to serve your ranch dressing with? Tell me in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe either. And there you have it, ranch dressing right here in the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen.
Thank you for watching, and be sure to stop by PoorMansGourmetKitchen.com for more recipes and exact ingredients.